All right, guys. So look at this hair. It's so long. So she loves her length, though. So we're going to keep it long. And let's look where her layer is. It's all the way out here. Too long. Too long. Okay, where are you going to do your angle for your face? Goes this way, right?
Yeah, I actually switch it back and forth.
Okay.
I can do either side.
Okay, so then I want to kind of do it in the middle.
Whatever you think. Perfect.
If they go both ways, your highlights are gorgeous.
Thank you. Just as fabulous.
If they go both ways, then you want to do it in the middle. So they could do it to the left or to the right. Okay, now, the other thing I want to ask you is, you have to angle this a lot in order to get this haircut. If you don't angle it and put a side bang, there's no way you can get
that. And I want
a
side bang again, 100%. Perfect. Thank you.
So you heard that, right? We got it on film.
We have it on film. She's the best. I totally trust her.
I want scissors that are like a little wide here because I want them to be soft and just flow. All right, so we want to do her front piece first. Now this is the thing, because we're gonna make this so you can go either side, right? So we gotta really try to do it in the middle. Okay. Take the middle part first. Go right where her nose is. I'm gonna go right about here. At first, then you take her side, then you come down on an angle. Okay, see that angle? Now I'm gonna take the other side. Go down with that angle. The fingers are facing down. Fingers go down to the ground. Always remember that. This one I'm going to do a little bit more. And that will be the start of our frame. And it'll be a cute little curtain bang, right? Now we want to go to the next part. We're going to take this whole front side. I'm going to cascade this going down, just like that. Basically, my comb is going to be my guide, and my scissors are going to follow it. Now I got to come out because she wants her length, so I'm going to come down, 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 down. See, I'm just doing my thumb only. I'm using my thumb. Down, 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 and that's the extra hair. Look at all that one length hair. It was going down. Sure. Okay, now we're gonna do this part. We're gonna go down, down, down. Perfect. Okay. Now we got that side. Now we have to take her whole other side behind that here. Right there. We're gonna bring it all forward and down. Forward and down. And I actually have to stand in front of her to do this side. Okay. Now. I'm again going to see this imaginary line just coming straight down, just like that. Okay? Imaginary line coming straight down. I'm going to have the scissors come behind it, and I'm just going to be going down. Well, that's the extra hair. When you have one length hair, just so you know, I'm going to get behind it. I'm going to go down, 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 down. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to check those two ladies. Beautiful. Perfect, right? You just check the other two pieces. Check here. And she could go either way, too. Just remember that. And make sure you're checking the same two pieces so that it works, right? It has to be balanced, not perfect. Now I'm going to divide the whole hair and back and push it all forward. Now you're going to see, I'm not combing it up this way. I'm combing it down, going towards her face. This is going to be her spot. Now I'll look and see what I need to do. I don't need to do a ton because she wants her length. Right there. I'm just going to get that little bit. Right there, a little tiny bit. There you go. Now I'm getting her other side. Actually, I need to stand in front of her so I can grab that angle on this side. You can grab it on this side. I'm gonna go up with that. Okay, good. Okay, now we got her ready. Bye, honey. Have a great weekend. You too. Yeah. And now this is the part that I really want you to watch. I'm gonna angle this going this way. Now listen, I have a lot more layers in my hair, so I will put more in her, but this is the first haircut that's easier to do for people that maybe are not super sure that they want it a lot shorter. I take half of that, take it out. And now here you go. Here's where the start is, this extra hair right here. And now I'm going to take the next section. Hey. Oh my goodness.
You didn't know it was me, did you?
No. Okay, so look at, seeing that nice angle we got right there? Right, yes, we're going to take this forward right here. See, this is all the extra hair. That's that one length hair. Get rid of it.
No, I don't like matching that. Yeah. I don't like that. Like,
okay, now we're really bringing it all up. Bringing it all up. Now, here's her length. So I'm just going to skim that just a little. I want to have it, her extra length there so it doesn't get too wispy. Now I'm going to bring this next section up. Bring it to the first section up top. There we go. This is all the extra hair. And I'm going to bring it, marry it together with the back. It's going to get easier and easier. Take this up on her next section. Okay.
Just like you're doing. You just want to be like me. I need you. I want to be like you. I love it.
I'm just gonna nice and easy skim. Skim.
Alana, you talk.
Jenna, if you're not skinny, right?
For what?
Oh,
Are you going blonder?
Copier.
I'm just gonna
You like one of the big little hair. I'm like, yeah, but this big hair.
You make this all sound.
Yeah. It's stolen all my cookies.
I mean, there's the piece I gotta get rid of. Fine. I'm not afraid. See, when you met,
I'm on an adventure with him. I'm not afraid either.
yes, I'm not afraid.
I'm totally just
Show you her beautiful hair after. It's gonna be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Good.
So I'm just gonna. Now I take this back. Okay, there we go. Now that whole haircut is literally pulled up this way and on an angle going down like this. There's her forehead and it's going up like this. It's not this way. It's like this. Which way are you going to go over to? You can go either way, right? Perfect. Look at that fun hair. Wow. So fun. So I'd really rather her dry you like this first, and then if we want to put more layers in there after, we can. Right?
Oh my God.
Look at how much it's just gonna rock. Pretty. Hey, you're gonna be smashing. See all the pretty angles right here? Right? And she's gonna have fullness all over here. If we need to take, remember when I showed you that triangle, the diamond? If I need to take a diamond here and just go into it and cut it more so she gets more fullness here, I will. But first we want to show you her nice full hair this way. This is the better way before you just cut it all off. Because my hair is a little more balanced because it's shorter. She wants it longer. So let's try here first and then we'll let you see how it comes out.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so look at how that hair is drying already on its own naturally. Right, she's going to have the beautiful swoop, cascading layers coming around her face. Right, and then she still will have layers in the back, but it's going to be thicker. Do you understand? I want her thickness in her back, so I don't want it real wispy because her hair is fine. But she can still do it. Do you understand? Like, but you see the angle, it's coming up and the angle coming up here. So that's why I want to leave this first. I don't want to layer it, overlayer it. But this is going to be very good, very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, so look, this is her old blonde. So now they want her, she likes to be lighter. But look at how nice this hair is with the whole beautiful angle going down. That's the goal, guys. Listen, we want to leave this stronger here. So, but at least she still has some little bit of layers. And now let me turn this side. And then you see we have it cascading coming down here. Okay, and that's the goal. So you have to really, I'm gonna turn her around and then she's gonna put it in the front. Keep going. Now put both of your hair in the front. Oh, that looks so good. See how we have the thickness in there too? What do you think about it?
I love it. I'm such an adventurer. Kimmy did an amazing job, and she's an amazing teacher, as you guys know.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.